G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, we're down here at Bayview Conservation Park. We're going to take a look at what's called the Bayview Loop today. It's a 20-kilometre ride which goes from the park here down to Native Dog Conservation Park and back again. It's going to be a really long ride today, so I think it's time we hit the trails. Let's go take a look. Bayview Conservation Park is around about half an hour south of Brisbane, just near Mount Cotton, between Mount Cotton and Redland Bay. It's a really easy place to find, just off German Church Road. The area that we find ourselves out here this morning is the staging area. As you can see on the map here, the Bayview Conservation Park area is huge, and the mountain bike trails that run through here can keep you amused for days. As you'll see here, there's plenty of car parking spaces, and the day use area here is pretty well set up as well. In the day use area there's a bathroom block and a large covered picnic area. There's a couple of tables there and also barbecues there as well. If you're looking for something to do for the kids, there's also a little bit of a skills track here and a little mini trail for the kids to cruise around and get used to riding their bikes on the dirt trails. There is water and bathrooms here at Bayview, but it's definitely recommended, I would say, especially for a ride of this duration, to take a bag with you which has got some food in it and a couple of different bottles of water as well. When you reach the other side at Native Dog Conservation Park, there's nothing over there at all, so you need to be really well prepared before you set off. If you wanted to take a look at the shorter rides that are available here at Bayview, I've done some in-depth looks at a lot of the different trails that are actually here as well. If you'd like to take a look at those, I'll put a link for you in the top right hand side of your screen. Alright, well now that we've got a bag packed, I think it's time we go hit the trails. As I mentioned, the trail that we're taking today is called the 20-kilometre Bayview Loop. If you wanted to take a look at the exact route for that trail, you can check out Trail Forks or other sites very similar to that. A few of the trails that are actually at Bayview that are included in this ride are Your Kidding, Birdcage, The Maze and Shark's Tail, just to name a few. But there's actually quite a few trails that are included and it's quite a journey, so it's probably best that you download the journey and know where you're going before you set off. It's a beautiful ride here and I'm really enjoying the scenery. As you can see from the trails here, everything is really well signposted and it's quite easy to find your way around, despite it being a really large place. With regards to all the trails here, you've got varying degrees of difficulty from beginner right through to intermediate and advanced. So if you're looking at coming here with the kids and the family, there's plenty for them to do, not just in the kids track in the day use area, but also in the main park itself. If you were looking for a short ride and you were over on the Carbrook side, you can just go to the Native Dog Conservation Park trail, which as you'll see here, it's only a 2-kilometre ride. It's graded as easy and it's a lovely ride through some lovely forest. One of the great things about this ride that I really have enjoyed is, especially around Native Dog Conservation Park, you've got all these swampy kind of areas here, so you've got these lovely little creeks and swampland that run through the place. So there's tons and tons of native bird life and water birds that you'll see as well. So it makes for a change in scenery when you're coming for a ride through the place. Most of the rides that you'll go through in Brisbane are just sort of forest areas, which, while they're really beautiful, they do get a little bit same. We're a little bit spoiled for choice here in Brisbane, but when you're on a ride like this, it just makes it a little bit different because you've got some different scenery to take a look at along the way. All right, well that's going to wrap things up for us down here at Bayview Conservation Park on the Bayview Loop today. What do you think of the place? Don't forget to leave some comments down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share the channel if you haven't already. I really do appreciate that. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time we get four wheels on the road.